All right, so we're going in right now to the Reveal Notebook. So you'll launch it. Okay, so you will see what has been assigned to you. That means what you need to complete right here. Okay, and remember, this is a student page. This is not my teacher account. So this is exactly what yours is going to look like. Okay, so you'll see you have a module pretest, and then you have an intro video, and it's accidentally posted twice. And I'll fix that before you all get in there. Okay, and you'll just click, and it'll take you straight to it, and you'll be able to start it. Now, if I ever ask you to do a online activity, okay, we're on page 128 in our math workbooks. You're going to pull up Student Edition ebook volume 1, okay, and I can make it go full screen, and you'll have to play around a little bit with all of these buttons, but that's okay, right? All right, so you're going to have exactly what's in front of you, okay, as far as your workbook that you took home, okay? This is the same thing. It's just interactive. So if I wanted to do this online activity, I'd click this little mouse, okay, and it takes a minute for it to load. Oh, technology's great. And it's going to load and take forever. Okay. The computer's just lagging right now. But what would happen is this would pull up the this right here, this number line, and then you could interact with it virtually instead of doing it in your workbook. And that'll be an option for you sometimes. Sometimes I'm going to say, I need you to complete this page, and this page. And when and if we come back to school, I will do a notebook check to make sure that you have done what you were supposed to do in that notebook. Okay? But this is just how your interactive workbook is set up. Okay? It's fairly easy to navigate. If you come over here, like we're in Module 3, Operations with Integers, Add, Subtract, Multiply, and Divide Numbers. That's what we're going to work with first. Okay? And if I said I'm on Example 2, you can come down here and click Example 2, and it'll jump you right through it. Okay? Right to it, excuse me. Here it says, does a positive or negative integer represent borrowing and spending money? You can click right here and type your answer in, and it'll actually save it. Okay? So if you're ever somewhere and you have your computer and you don't have your workbook and you have workbook assignments, this can take the place of your pencil paper workbook. Okay? All right, and I know that's quick, and it'll take a while for us to get used to that program, the buttons and all the capabilities and stuff. But like I said, you're going to have to play with it. Even if we were in the building and you were sitting in my class, I would say, okay, take 10 minutes and mess with this. Okay, click on the buttons, play with the tools, find the calculator, find the ruler. Okay, so once you have access to that, you do need to go in and mess with it. Okay? All right. And then over here, if you clicked on assignments, it's kind of going to pull up your grade book almost. Now, your grade book is in Haiku. This is just going to be a log of your assignments in ALEKS and Reveal. Okay? So some of these are repetitive where I was trying to mess with it. So not all that is due this week or next week, okay? So don't freak out. But we are going to be using this for almost everything, okay? All right. So does anybody have any questions?